Hello and welcome. I'm John Kettle from Tommy's Real Estate, making open homes easy for busy people, and I'd like to welcome you here today to a great little apartment in Republic 2. The address for the apartment is Unit 40, 10 Lorne Street, Tiaro, and we're in the Republic 2 building. I've got a wonderful one-bedroom apartment to show you, and what's great about this apartment is I'm able to do this outside to start with because it's got access to this lovely big courtyard, which only a few apartments in this building have. It's one of the real reasons why you'd probably want to buy it. However, let's go and have a look inside, and we'll see from there. And we're very fortunate, we've got a lovely day here today. It's a lovely winter's day. Now, walking into the apartment, showing you the dining area and the way it's all set up. So we've got an excellent open plan set up here. We've got dining, living and kitchen all in one, and it's a really great configuration. Really good floor plan. I'd have to use the word spacious for what you've got here. Now, this apartment is 57 square metres and it's a really good use of space. And it will be obvious to you now that it's a nice modern apartment. These apartments are about 8 years old, and they're certainly looking great. So we'll pan through now to the kitchen. I love this kitchen. Again, good use of space. We've got a really nice kitchen bench here, so there's plenty of space for preparing food. There's also the opportunity to have some bar stools here and eat from the kitchen bench, which a lot of these apartments allow you to do. And from an appliance point of view, we've got some excellent appliances, ceramic hobs, a really good range hood, and smeg oven. We've got the pantry over here, and incinerator, etc. Good amount of cupboard space, lots of drawers and cupboards, so good for storage. I'd consider this to be, in any other place, still be a full-size kitchen, so it's a really important part of living in an apartment is having some good space to prepare your own food. Now, I haven't told you about this, but I'm going to show you in here. This is a laundry. This is a built-in laundry, a big laundry. So plenty of space here. There's an opportunity of putting some shelving in there too if you wanted to, but that's really quite clever because the plumbing is all in line. You've got the plumbing here for the kitchen, the laundry, and then through to the bathroom. But we'll have a look at the bedroom first, because I promised the cameraman that's the way we'd do it. So a lovely little bedroom we've got here, and I shouldn't have used the word little, because again, it's quite a good size for a one-bedroom apartment. Good wardrobes, two big wardrobes here, and a view out to the courtyard, so good amount of natural light. Now let's have a look at the bathroom. I love these bathrooms that Stratum have done. You've got, that's the name of the developer, by the way. Really nice tiled flooring, walls, good choice of sink and lavatory, etc. Really nice finish to the whole thing and good space. Alright, so just coming out here, one of the points I want to make about this apartment is you've got windows in the bedroom and you've got all these windows here as well, so it lets in lots of natural light. And another thing that I really like about this particular apartment in this building is that, this might sound a bit strange, but I'm going to take you outside just briefly. Outside this apartment you've got the lifts. So you come out of the lift with your groceries and you go to the apartment. It's really nice and handy. Some apartments you've got to go down corridors and things like that, but it's pretty much just by the door, so that's really good. Another really great feature. So I want to talk to you now about the apartment and the reasons why you'd want to buy it. Now, it's on the market at buyer inquiry over $549,000, so that's buyer inquiry over $549,000. You get 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom and a car park. It's 57 square metres. It's being sold by way of tender if not sold prior, and the tender close date is Wednesday the 26th of June, but it is tender if not sold prior. The other thing which is really fundamentally important when you're buying, and particularly in this building, this is a great building because it's a fantastic location. It's modern, it's in a really good location, and one of the real benefits of living here is that you are literally across the road from Moore Wilson's. It's just out down the lift and then out onto Lorne Street and then along to Moore Wilson's, which is a really, really good neighbour to have on board because you've effectively got a portable pantry at your doorstep if you wanted to. The other thing about it, up here you've got the town belt, you've got Mount Victoria, so lots of recreational opportunities, etc. there. You've got the Basin Reserve down the road. Down this way you've got Courtney Place, you've got the Embassy Theatre, you've got Ortega Restaurant, you've got them all along here in Courtney Place, etc. So in terms of nightlife and entertainment, lifestyle, you're very much in the middle of town, so it's another really good reason why you'd want to buy here. So there you are, a beautiful apartment in a great part of Wellington with access to a courtyard. So that's it from me. Buyer inquiry at $549,000, just because I got it wrong last time. So thank you very much for tuning in. I'm John Kettle from Tommy's Real Estate, making open homes easy for busy people. Thank you very much. Bye for now. Just so you know, today is the 6th or 7th, I think, of June, and we've got some lovely sunshine here, and we've got a view looking back to Mount Victoria, Elizabeth Street. Isn't it great?